I've been asked about how yoga and homeopathy can complement each other, and I think they really go hand in hand. I practice yoga, of course, and I'm a homeopath, and I've been using homeopathy for myself, for my 3 children as they were growing up, and for pets and anybody who was interested. Like yoga, homeopathy really connects with your own internal energy, with your source of life and creativity. You will stimulate your body and mind and emotions to find balance, to find homeostasis by practicing yoga and by using homeopathic remedies in place of maybe Tylenol or maybe a drug that you have become just used to using to alleviate certain symptoms, to help you relieve pain, to help your children when they have a cold. There are homeopathic remedies for all of those things. There are so many situations today where we don't want to use antibiotics, or where illnesses have become resistant to antibiotics. I just heard on the news today that it's a problem now that typhoid has become antibiotic resistant in many cases. And you know, that's a really serious, potentially very deadly situation. Typhoid has been treated homeopathically. It was treated successfully homeopathically by 19th century homeopaths before the widespread use of antibiotics, and it is an alternative, and we need alternatives to antibiotics now. So that's one of the ways in which I see yoga and homeopathy as being very compatible, because you do yoga to strengthen yourself, strengthen your body, balance your mind and your emotions, to be as fit and as healthy as you possibly can be. And I see homeopathy as being very complementary with that.